Today we're showing you a 2018 New Holland Workmaster 60 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a 621 TL quick attach front loader. Tractor has under 10 hours. It's like brand new. Comes with a balance of the factory warranty. Has a 6-foot front bucket with a skid steer style quick connect here for your bucket detach. And again, under 10 hours, the tractor is practically brand new. It's got the ag tires on it. You can see there's no paint off of the floorboards or the pedals. Foldable rollover bar. Toolbox back here. Rear hydraulic outlet, 540 PTO. Has a hammer strap. Telescopic 3-point arms. Stabilizer bars on both 3-point arms. And again, this tractor comes with the balance of the New Holland warranty. I believe it was started in August of 18, but double check the listing on that. It does have the mechanical shuttle here to go from forward to reverse right up here on the dash. 2 ranges here to the left of the seat, 4 gears over there to the right, gives you a total of 8 speeds. Very, very clean unit. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.